So let us take up another question, and which is find the coefficient of x to the power 5 in the expansion of 1 plus x to the power 21, 1 plus x to the power 22, and 1 plus x to the power 30. Now there are two ways of solving this question. Now, one method can be, I know that in the expansion of 1 plus x to the power n, coefficient of x to the power r is given by simply NCR. So what I'll do is, I'll find the coefficient of x to the power 5 from this one. So from this one, coefficient of x to the power 5 simply will be 21C5. From the second one, it will be 22C5, 23C5, and finally it will be 30C5. Now, I need to find a way with which I can simplify this series. So what I'll do is, I'll add 21C6 to the series, and because I've added it, I need to subtract it also. So that'll be 21C6. Now here I can say n is same and r differs by 1. So this is the property that NCR plus NCR minus 1, it is n plus 1 CR. So I can write it as 22C6. Now again from this, n same, r differs by 1, 23C6, 24C6. So finally, if I'll continue, I'll get this as 30C6, and 30C6 plus 30C5 will be 31C6, and it'll be 21C6. So answer to this question simply will be 31C6 minus 21C6. So this is one way of solving the question using binomial coefficient properties. Now another way of solving the same question is, now what I know is it's a geometric progression. So 1 plus x to the power 21, 22 up to 30. So I can use the formula for sum of a geometric progression. So I'll find the sum of this geometric progression, and the sum of this geometric progression is a. Now the first term is 1 plus x to the power 21 into r. What is r? R is 1 plus x to the power n, number of terms is 10, minus 1 upon r minus 1. So which is 1 plus x minus 1. So you get cancelled. So I can write this series as 1 plus x to the power 21 into 1 plus x to the power 10 minus 1 upon x. So if I multiply it also, I can write 1 plus x to the power 31 minus 1 plus x to the power 21 divided by x. Now from this series, I need to find coefficient of x to the power 5. Now whatever I'll get from the numerator, this x, it is going to reduce it by 1. So if I have to find coefficient of x from this entire expression, I'll need to find coefficient of x to the power 6 from the numerator. So I have to find coefficient of x to the power 6 in 1 plus x to the power 31 and minus 1 plus x to the power 21. So what is the coefficient of x to the power 6 in 1 plus x to the power 31? So there will be 31C6, and then minus, what is the coefficient from this? So it will be 21C6. So answer to this question will be 31C6 minus 21C6.